Okay, so this is the Converse Tec-Tuff, coming in the Alligator Friend grassy black colour. High tops, all-star thing. Super fun. Oh. So it's got like a more fabric-y thing there. Nice gnarly grabber. And the toe, you can see it's a different kind of fabric. It's like more canvasy, while this is like really tight stitch. This is also kind of padded. Hard to explain, but it's squishy. Yep, kind of normal toe, which is nice, like normal all-star toe. Yep, that's what that looks like. So I'll just put that down on the grass and get his friend out. There they are together. Size 9 in women's. So yeah, there we go. And it feels a bit padded here too. There's definitely some smushiness. Not hectically, but it's there. Is it waterproof? I don't know. It'd be waterproof. Doesn't feel overly plasticky though. So that's nice. Tec-Tuff. So yep, that's the shoe. I think they're really cute. Didn't see any kind of tactile video, so I figured I'd make one for other people that look it up. Oh, that's a cat. Meow. Cool. I hope that helped with your decision making. And yeah, they're nice and flexible, which was a priority for me. So that's awesome. Cool. Bye.